What is everyone? In this video I will show you how to use magic eraser tool on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library, search photos app. You will see click on photos, so select photo. So after selecting photo, click on this edit icon. Now here you will see showing option clean up. So click on clean up and select area. You will see area is clean. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use magic eraser tool on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.